Hello my little rays of sunshine, how are you all doing out there today? I'm Michelle the Introvert, and today I'm on a mission. I have a very special person in my life who has a birthday on September 25th. It's Gerald's birthday. Gerald's birthday is on September 25th, so I'm heading down to the local antique store to pick him up something special. So if you all want to come along, that would be fantastic. And here's Gerald's special birthday present. Gerald really likes the era of Charles Dickens, and this is a beautiful pocket watch, and it works beautifully. It's very nice, Gerald. Happy birthday. Well, that was a lot of fun. I always enjoy going into that wonderful antique store. It's a beautiful place to go, and to be honest, it's one of Gerald and my favorite stores to go to. Yeah. So our next stop is Giant Tiger Dollarama, because there's a few things I need to pick up there in order to get things ready for the birthday boy. I'm back at home, and I'll show you some of the things that I picked up from Giant Tiger and Dollarama. For Gerald's birthday, I wanted to pick him up another gift, so I spotted this, and I thought that this would make a really nice gift. For when he gets the snackies, he can snack on these. And also, I wanted to get him a birthday card, so I picked this up for Gerald. It's quite a nice card. It has some nice things on the inside as well to read. And one of the things that Gerald wanted to have for his birthday, and that is some homemade pizza. So I picked up two of these because they were a good price. I think I'll use the garlic and herb for Gerald's homemade pizza, but that's what he wants for his birthday. And Gerald is a big fan of Dr. Pepper, so I picked us up to go with this pizza too. So that'll taste great. Of course, one needs to put cheese on their pizza, so this is where this comes in. And while I was at Giant Tiger, I picked up a few extras: bananas, some coffee cream, because we love our coffees in the morning, and some milk, this big container here of 2% milk. And they had Ritz crackers on for a good price, so those are nice to munch on as well. And I didn't pick up a whole lot at Dollarama, but while I was there, I spotted this for Joshua, and I'm sure he's going to enjoy snacking on this today. So that's it for my cute little haul, and just getting some prep work done for Gerald's birthday, which is coming upon us very quickly I might say. Hello, hello, my friends. It is Monday, September 25th. Today is Gerald's birthday, and I'm busy as a bee in my kitchen. I have a few projects on the go for Gerald. Gerald wanted a homemade pizza for his birthday, so I finished the first one, and here it is. And all of the ingredients for pizza number 2 is actually inside my bread machine. All I have to do is plug it in, put it on the right cycle, and press start. And away it goes for the pizza crust anyway. And also, another project I have for today is Gerald's birthday cake. Gerald had wanted Joshua to pick out the flavor of his birthday cake this year. And this is the flavor that Joshua chose. And he also chose this here for the frosting. So that's what I'm going to work on right now, my friends. I've got to get pizza crust number 2 started, and I have to get the cake on the go. I'm just plugging in my bread machine. And it made that beep sound there. Let's see. So the cycle that I want is number 8. An hour and a half. Press start. My bread machine has a tendency to get really dusty very, very easy. Every day I have to wipe the top of my bread machine off, just because it always seems to look a tiny little bit dusty. I love this bread machine. It does a wonderful job making pizza crust. And Gerald and Joshua love the pizza crust and the bread that this machine here makes. So now that this is on the go, it'll take an hour and a half before the crust is ready. I think I'll start on the cake. The cake is all baked, and now I just have to let it cool down, and in another 20 minutes the pizza crust will be ready to take out of the machine, and then I can make another pizza. So while I'm waiting, maybe I'll show you some envelopes that Gerald got for his birthday. He hasn't opened these yet, but he got a few birthday wishes from different people. There's a nice envelope there. And there's another one here, and it has a sticker on it. And of course, this one is from me. This one is from me. And I'll show you what the inside of the card looks like. It's quite cute. This is what the front reads right here. Happy birthday, husband. If you think I can't live without you. Here it is. Certainly and undoubtedly right. And that's my card for Gerald. The bread machine, as you can see, is a really big help making this pizza crust. It makes it very easy. There, so that's emptied out. And I just have to let this sit for 10 minutes before I knead it into the pan. As you can tell, at least I think you can tell, I put a little bit of that non-stick cooking spray on this pan. But I'm going to let this sit for 10 minutes and then work this into the pan to flatten it all out. And then put all the wonderful pizza ingredients on. There. Here's my pizza crust. Now I just have to put some of the sauce on. And then the rest of the ingredients. I have a lot of nice ingredients to put on this homemade pizza. I have peppers, mushrooms, cheese of course, and what else do I have? Oh yes, I have some ham slices, pepperoni, and salami. There, I added just a tiny little bit more sauce. And now for the other ingredients. I'm just putting a little bit of mozzarella cheese on here just to start with. I have some peppers that I took out of my freezer. It was very easy. I just took them out of the freezer. They're all ready to go. Because I had already pre-washed and cut them and did all that prep work a few days ago, a few weeks ago. I have some nice slices in here. There's a combination of pepperoni, salami, and ham in this Tupperware container. I'm just going to use all of this up. That'll be nice and filling. Maybe I'll sprinkle a little more cheese on the top. A little more. And then I'll put some mushrooms on there. What do you guys think? Do you think it looks good so far? I just put my oven on to 450 degrees. These mushrooms I had in my freezer as well. I washed them up and cut them up and put them in this container here. Oops, I'll pick that up, put it in the middle. There. I'm pretty good on mushrooms. I'm probably going to add a little bit more cheese after I'm done with the mushrooms here. The cheese is the last thing that I'm putting on. And then I put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Or close to 20 minutes, anyway, at 450 degrees. I think this will make a nice birthday pizza for Gerald. Lots of cheese on there. Makes it more filling. And here's what it looks like now that I've taken it out of the oven. It looks delicious. And it smells delicious too. My last and final project for today, and that is to put some frosting on this cake. Joshua is going to assist me in putting some sprinkles on. Go ahead, Josh. That'll be great. Very nice. That looks terrific.
Thank you.
Do you want to put a few more on there?
Yep.
Very good. I'm going to put these candles on the cake. I think it'll look really nice. Let's see, there's a little gadget here to put it in. There we go. Yeah, that looks all right. Let's see here. There's another one. Put it in there. So I'm just going to continue on, my friends, and put these candles on the cake and get these ready for Gerald to blow out his candles for his birthday. And Gerald's birthday cake turned out pretty nice. And Joshua did a good job putting the sprinkles on the top. And here's what it looks like so far. I added a few extra candles. There's a pink one, a yellow one, and an orange one, just to make it more festive. But I think Gerald will like it. Well, my friends, it is so nice to have Gerald home, and he blew out the candles on his birthday cake, and we have lots of pizza for supper tonight. Thank you so much for joining us on Gerald's birthday, September 25th, Gerald's birthday, and it's always a pleasure having your company, that's for sure. And we just again thank you for sharing this celebration time with us. And if you like this vlog, please give us the YouTube thumbs up, or press that subscribe button, that would be great. And we have more vlogs coming up, so stay tuned and we'll talk to you all soon. Talk to you soon, my friends. Bye. Bye.